Hey everyone, Desiree here. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the setup of my A5 Mystics Little Gifts Traveler's Notebook in carbon. Now I think I did an unboxing when I first got this notebook a while ago, and if you haven't seen it, I'll make sure I link it down below. But I was sharing how on Instagram, I am really loving my A5 size planners and notebooks right now. So someone had sent me a request and they had asked me if I could share the setup of my A5 Traveler's Notebook. So I said, sure, I'll do that. I mean, it's not anything fancy. You guys know I don't really know how to do the super gorgeous, fun, cutesy, pretty planner setups. But this does have everything I need in it, and I really love this leather. The size of the notebook works really well for me. And I've got 6 inserts in here, also a dashboard and a zip pouch, which I will show you. But like I said, someone had asked if I could do a setup or flip through of my Traveler's Notebook, so I said sure. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Now again, this is the carbon leather from Mystics Little Gifts. I really love Anna's work, and I love her shop. She does really good quality notebooks at a very affordable price. I got the front pocket on here, and I think I've had this notebook, I want to say, for at least a month or two, and it's holding up really well. I have no complaints about how the leather feels and how it wears. It is a little bit of a thicker leather, so if you're looking for something that is super lightweight, I mean, I can't say this is super heavy, but it's not one of the lightest leathers either. So when you open it, I did get the inside pockets as well. Now in this front pocket here, I just have some vellum and scrapbook paper scraps. Now sometimes I like to use these for writing notes, ideas. Sometimes I just like to stick them in my journal, and so that's what I have these here for, because I wanted to use them up. I didn't want to throw them away. I've got a piece of cardboard that I have been meaning to do something with, just haven't gotten around to it yet. And then I've got a couple of these dashboards that I made. I can't remember the shop, but this is a free printable. Oh, and then I've got some leftover planner stickers here that I want to use. And again, these are the free printables. I can't remember. If I can remember her website, I think she has an Etsy shop as well, but I will also link that down below. Then I have a zip pouch. This one is actually a standard size, but I figured it worked for, I didn't really need one in here, so I figured it would work for my A5 size. And in here I have a prayer card that a sweet friend sent to me, and then this is just a quote that I cut out and laminated. It says, "It takes only one person to change your life, you." And then on the back side, I have just a bunch of random stickers that I want to use up. Now this first insert is a lined insert that I got from Barnes & Noble years ago. I think they still carry these. It's a Piccadilly lined insert, and this is a brand new one because I just filled up my other one. So I threw some stickers on here, and this one is ready to go. Now I don't know if I said, but I use this notebook as my journal and my spiritual journal, so that's what I've got in here. So I won't be showing you all the pages because some of them have, personal things in there that I just don't want everybody to see. This next insert is a Moleskine, I think it's a Moleskine blank insert. Also, I haven't used this one either. I plan on doing some decorating of these pages, so that's kind of what my plan is for that. This is the other side of the zip pouch. I have some scrap quotes that I cut out from an old Erin Condren planner. And I thought they were nice. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll glue them in one of my inserts. And then I've got some paper in there and also some old Erin Condren stickers that I want to use up as well. Oh, and a washi tape sample from a planner friend. And that's it. Then I have a dashboard. I think this is a 1407 dashboard, and I threw some scrapbook paper in there, like a holographic star paper. This is a cute little card. I can't remember. I think I found this card in a library book, and I thought it was funny. My next journal is where I start writing my personal goals and stuff. So this is just a lined insert. I got this insert from TJ Maxx in a pack of 3 for like $5. Paper's pretty good, you know, just for everyday writing. I got another journal. This one I use for writing down my goals. And this is my Freeform spiritual journal. Again, it's another lined insert, also from TJ Maxx. I've had this one for years. I think it also came in a 3-pack. So this is the back of that dashboard. I keep saying I'm going to put something in here. I just haven't figured out what yet. And I've got another lined journal. This one was for an online class that I was taking, but I ended up not using it for that. So I started it on one page and then decided to use something else. But it's another one of those lined journals from TJ Maxx. And because I do not like to have an empty string in my traveler's notebook, this is another lined journal, but there's nothing in this one. But it's ready to go when I need it. Now in this back pocket, I have a Titanic postcard, because Caden and I went to see the Titanic for his birthday, the Titanic exhibit. So I got a postcard, and then this is one of the little cards they give you when you go through the exhibit. Then I have some crystal stickers from, I think it's Ursa Mama Creations on Etsy. They're really, really pretty. I haven't used too many of them because I keep forgetting that I have them. But she has them in different colors, and I really like crystals, so I bought these. And then I have another card from the same girl who makes the other ones I showed you in the front. She makes these too, and I think this is also a free printable on her website. And that is all I've got going on in here. I know it's not that exciting, and I know my setups are not, like I said, super pretty like some of the other videos I see out there, but I do like it, and I do like a more simple, functional setup, but I do like to do decorating just very minimal. Sometimes I get overwhelmed when I have, you know, too many stickers or too many die cuts and cutesy things, and then I worry about sometimes, you know, messing it up, and then I end up not using it. So I hope that makes sense. But anyways, so that's a look at my A5 Traveler's Notebook journal that I am loving and using a lot right now. If you have any questions, feel free to throw those down in the comments below. If you're not subscribed, please make sure you do so, because I do have a lot more videos to come. All right, everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I'll definitely see you in the next video. Bye.